Lesson 4-7, Multiplication and Division Equations. By the end of today's lesson, you will be able to solve algebraic multiplication equations using the division property of equality, as well as solve algebraic division equations using the multiplication property of equality when the dividend is unknown. Don't forget to pause the lesson as you need to and take notes along the way. Today's problem says, an object on Jupiter weighs about 2.6 times its weight on Earth. If a spacecraft weighs 4,914 pounds on Jupiter, what is its weight on Earth? So to find the weight on Earth, we're going to need to write and solve an equation. We're going to let y represent the spacecraft's weight on Earth. So we have 2.6 times object's weight on Earth, which is going to be y, is the object's weight on Jupiter, which is 4,914. This is a multiplication equation. To solve a multiplication equation, we're going to use the division property of equality, since we're always doing the opposite of what they're doing in the problem in order to solve it. So they're multiplying, so we're going to divide. So it's going to look like this. We're going to divide both sides by 2.6. So here I'm going to use a fraction bar on this side, 2.6, and then this cancels out. And then here we're going to divide by 2.6. I can do my math over here to the side. 2.6 divided into 4,914. So you can do that on the side of your scratch paper. When you figure that out, it equals 1,890. So all that's left on this side is y equals, and then we put our answer, 1,890. This is a true statement, and the spacecraft weighs 1,890 pounds on Earth. Next, we're going to take a look at a division equation. So for this problem, we have x over 14 equals 192. So they're dividing in this problem. So this is a division equation. If they're dividing, we're going to do the opposite. So we're going to multiply. We're going to use the multiplication property of equality. So they're dividing, so we're going to multiply. So I'm going to put that into quotations so that way I can multiply by 14 over 1. Those would cross out, and I'm left with x on this side of my equation. So then I'm going to multiply this side also by 14. Remember, parentheses equal multiply. So I have 192 times 14. I can do that on a scratch paper, and when I do, it equals 2,688. So this sentence would be true. Remember to rewatch any part of today's lesson. Make sure that if they're dividing in this sentence, you're going to multiply in order to solve it. If they are multiplying, you're going to divide in order to solve the equation. Have a great day with math.